Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm joined by my daughter Tiffany and my daughter Charlotte. Tiffany's 23, Charlotte is 17, and all three of us are going to be playing with the new NYX makeup inspired by Barbie. We have the cheek palette, the eyeshadow palette, and the butter gloss. These are all minis and all three of us are going to be testing it out, showing you how it applies on our three different skins at three different ages to create three different looks. And in the end, we'll give you a brief rundown of our opinion of these products. Let's get started. Just to let you know, we've all started with foundation, concealer, and done our brows. The rest we will do as we progress. I'm going to start with the cheek palette. There's a light bronzer, a highlighter, and a pink blush. I like to define my jawline, my forehead, and of course my cheekbones.
Now I have no clue what I do. I don't really know how to do makeup. I just do makeup and hope that it looks alright. My sister's the one that loves makeup. I love makeup, but I never properly learnt how to do it, so this could look horrible. I don't want any harsh lines on it either. Hopefully that looks alright.
And a little bit of my nose.
I don't know if this is gonna look good. I always put bronzer on my nose.
This is not a contour shade. That doesn't look terrible.
Moving on to the blush. This bright pink looks a little bit scary. The highlighter. Wow, this is really strong. Well, I'm embracing the Barbie look. And now moving on to the eyeshadow. These are the 6 colors. There's a light color, a bright Barbie pink, a gold, a pale brown, a really sparkly bright pink, and what looks like to be a little bit of a purple color. So let's start with the light color first. I like to put a light color all over my eyelid. I find that this creates a lovely little base for the rest of the eyeshadow to go on without making it look too blotchy. But not that this eyeshadow is blotchy, it's going on beautifully smooth. I do have just a little bit of eye primer on my eyelids. If you are prone to a little bit of crepey eyelids, lid primer will help, but otherwise this is going on beautifully. Next, let's play with a little bit of the brown in here. I like to put that just in the outer part of my eye socket, and what this does, it creates the illusion of lift. If you're suffering from a little bit of droopy eyelids, then this trick is for you. See, I've just put it on this top part of my eyelid. These eyeshadows are very pigmented and they go on beautifully. Wow, look at that. Just going to blend that out a little bit. A little bit more on this side. So this brown does have a lot of orange in it. I am going to play now with some of the pink Barbie color right over here, which I think will match my shirt quite well. You just tap it off, and I'm just going to put this pretty pink towards the end of my eyelid and in the center a little bit. Very pretty. I know it's very bright, but we'll turn it down, and once I put eyeliner and mascara on, it will look beautiful. Now, I think I'm going to play with some of this purple here, and I'm going to use it almost like an eyeliner. Let's see how strong it is on top of the eyelid, and then I might put a little bit underneath the eyes, just there as well. And again, I only put eyeshadow just on half of my eyelid, just to create lift. Yep, I think I can use that underneath too. Just at the bottom of the eyelash line to create depth. And again, only to the center. And then smoke it out. And I'll do my other eye too. I really like that purple. I know, in the screen here it looks really strong, but I'll blend it out a little bit. Now let's go a little bit crazy with sparkle. What should I do? Should I use the gold or should I use the bright pink? I think I'm going to go for the bright pink, and I'm going to use my fingers. Ooh, that is so pretty. And there is no fallout underneath the eyes. I don't know, have I gone too crazy with the pink? It is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to go for a little bit of the light color in the center there. This eyeshadow plays really well and I really love it. It's got great pigment. Let me put the eyeliner on. Just a bit of a wing. And I think lashings of mascara. There, I put some more mascara on. Okay, I think that's enough. And now for the lips. I've chosen a pink liner. And now for the butter gloss.
Now, I don't use lip liner, so hopefully this still looks fine.
Here we are. Here's the finished look using the eyeshadow palette and the cheek palette and the butter gloss. Overall, what do I think about these products? The eyeshadow palette went on beautifully. The pigmentation is really strong, as you can tell. It glides on beautifully, it blends really well, and there's really good color payoff. The cheeks are absolutely beautiful. I love the pink of the blush. It does look like it's going to be really bam pink, but as you can see, I don't think it's gone on too strong at all, and you can always blend that out really easily. The butter gloss is gorgeous. It is a very natural color. Mine has gone really pink because I did use a pink pencil. Guys, what do you think of the 3 different looks?
So the butter gloss actually feels really nourishing on the lips. It doesn't feel like it's drying my lips out, and I hate chapped lips. So I actually really like it. Products are really good. I usually go in with cream products though, but the powder products were really easy to blend, and I think I overdid it at one point with the bronzer, but I was able to make it work in the end. And yeah, the products are actually really good for being a Barbie collab. And the eyeshadow, I used the first 5 shades. I didn't use this dark one because it might have been too dark for me. Like, I only really use simple like highlighter for my eyes. This makeup was actually really good. I would probably go back to it. I wouldn't use the gold highlighter because I usually go for more like lighter, closer to like a silver highlighter, just because otherwise it's too dark for my skin. This was good makeup and I highly recommend it, and to go watch the Barbie movie when it comes out on July 21st. So thanks guys for watching. Bye.
So my overall thoughts, the eyeshadow blended out super easily. I'd never had to fight with it. The pigment is very sparkly. For the pink, I used my finger because it's easier to pat it on evenly. So overall, this I would give, honestly, high-end quality thoughts. So the bronzer, personally, I think the bronzer was like just not my type of vibe. It was a bit too pink. It still did the job, but I'll probably fix it. The blush is perfect. I loved the shade of blush. And the highlighter is insane. I'm not really a highlighter person, but this would be so nice for nights out. Overall, I give it an 8 out of 10.
Thank you, Tiffany. Thank you, Charlotte, for joining me here today. I hope you all enjoyed this video and seeing the 3 different looks you can create and how suitable these makeups are on 3 different age groups. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I hope wherever you are, you're having a fabulous day. Bye.